Hi everyone, welcome to Express Zone. In last session, we learned introduction on ADO. In this video, we are going to discuss few more features of ADO and will create Microsoft account to access ADO features. Azure DevOps services offer a great selection of features for development teams. For instance, Azure DevOps provides DevOps teams with powerful tools. Dashboard control. Using DevOps dashboard features, we can quickly navigate to different areas of the project, add and manage dashboards, and configure dashboard widgets. Using dashboards here, we can manage and we can configure our projects, plan and track our work. Here using source control, we can plan and we can track our work. Azure DevOps systems support two popular types of source control: Git as distributed version control and Team Foundation version control, which is a centralized and client-server system. We can add, manage Azure Git tags, review, download, and edit files to see change history. And we can plan and track our work. Azure DevOps system provides with a couple of types of work items used to monitor features, requirements, user stories, tasks, bugs, and more. For planning purpose, we can access several kinds of backlogs and boards. To support main agile methods like Scrum, Scrumban, or Kanban, we can add and update relevant work items, and we can manage product backlog like using sprint backlogs to plan sprints, and using Kanban boards to visualize the workflow and update statuses, and continuous integration and deployment. Many developers employ the practice of CI/CD, and Azure DevOps supports them. By using Azure developers can automate many of the design process, including defining builds and their steps, creating test instructions, and manage simultaneous releases. Support for manual and exploratory testing. Azure DevOps test features facilitate manual, exploratory, and continuous testing, including workflow customization and end-to-end traceability, criteria-based selection, and real-time charts that track test activity. Using test plans, we can do test-related activities. Here, as ADO integrated collaboration services, the feature that enables teams to collaborate across with the entire collection of Azure DevOps features and functions. It provides team dashboards, project wiki, discussions with work item forms, linking work items, commits, pull requests, and other artifacts that support traceability. Alerts and change notifications managed per user, team, project, or organization. The ability to request and manage feedback, analytics services, analytic views, and Power BI reports, and so on. Azure cloud hosted services. So Azure provides DevOps teams with cloud hosted services that support application development and deployment. These services can be used by themselves or in combination with Azure DevOps. Uh, this is about Azure DevOps features. Now we will see how to create a Microsoft account, and we will see how to log in into ADO. So for this, I'm going to open my Chrome browser. Here we can create our own account. So for this is this is the URL to connect with Microsoft ADO account. So it is dev.azure.com. So I'm going to provide this one, azure.azure.com URL to get the home page of Microsoft account. Here create an account. So sign in to DevOps, Azure DevOps. So using sign in to Azure DevOps, we can get it. I'm going to click on sign in to Azure DevOps. If you have an account with Microsoft, you can directly provide here, or else using email, or else phone number, or else Skype ID, you can sign in to the Microsoft account. Here, if you doesn't have any account, you can create new one. By clicking create one, you can get the create account page, and here you can provide your mail ID followed by Gmail or hotmail.com. So using Outlook or Hotmail, you can create a Microsoft account. Here I already created a Square Zone Hotmail, so that's why it is not allowing me to create an account with this mail. So I'm use your email instead. So here I'm going to provide a Square Zone @hotmail.com. So I'm going to provide this mail, and I'm clicking on next. So I'm going to direct my portal, and here by signing to Azure DevOps, I can directly log into my Square Zone @hotmail.com. So I'm going to provide this mail ID. Sorry, typo mistake. So it is asking me password. I'm going to provide my password here. So here I'm providing password. So it is giving the access of Microsoft account. So here we need to fill few details. Later we can get into the Microsoft account. So here I gave my name and regional India, and I'm going to provide accept. So here get started with Azure DevOps. I'm going to click on continue. It's taking you to Azure DevOps organization. So it gives the home page of ADO. So this is my home page now. So I don't have any projects here. It is asking me to create a project. So if I give any name here, project name, I'm going to give sample project, and I'm going to click on create project. Here one more thing we need to remember, this is public or private. If I create my project as private, no one can see my project. If I click on public, anyone can view my project. So based on my accessibilities, I can give access to other team members as well. So now I'm going to click on public and I'm going to create my project, sample project. So I'm just going to click on this one. So it is creating a new project for me. So you can see now sample project. Here we can see which we have discussed earlier, dashboards, wiki, boards. In boards we have couple of options like work item boards, backlog, sprints, queries and repos. It's like version control system. This is either Git or a centralized version we can use here. And pipelines. So based on pipelines, we can work on multiple projects simultaneously. Test plans. It give access to our tests based on projects. Artifacts. We can store our artifacts here. So this is the basic view of any project here. In the next video, we will go deep into the features which ADO is providing. So this is the session on introduction and login process of ADO. If you like this video, please do like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel SQL Zone. We'll see you in the next video with other concepts. Thanks for watching, guys.